Hey guys, Crystal Thompson. Today we have a minimal coloring. We're making a set of cards using the January 2019 Simon Says stamp Snow Much stamp set along with other elements from the kit. To make this card, we are going to need the Snow Much stamp set. This is a 6x8 stamp set including in the kit. We're going to use the penguins and the snowflakes, also the premium dye ink Intense Black Simon Says stamp pad, glossy accents, and the pom-poms including the kit. We are going to begin by stamping the sentiment with the black ink in the center of our card base. And then we're going to use the same ink using the large and the smaller penguins from the stamp set and varyingly repetitive stamping around the sentiment, leaving a little bit of a space as we are going to place some of the snowflakes from the Snow Much stamp set. My idea behind this series was creating several cards that could say thank you for all those Christmas presents that require very little coloring. Now we're going to start stamping the snowflakes from the Snow Much stamp set in between the spaces with black ink. Once you've allowed the ink to dry, this is where we're going to do the minimal coloring. We are going to add a little bit of blush using a pink marker, just some quick circles onto that. Then with the orange, we're going to color the little beak of the penguin. Then for the actual background, we're going to color the entire outer part of all the penguins using G00, which is the jade green. And we're just gonna color it all, making it super easy to make multiples of these cards. As a finishing touch, we're gonna be using the glossy accents, adding a couple drops around the background, and then adding the super cute pom-poms including in the kit. You're going to need to add a little more postage for this and perhaps a little protective card, but that is ready to go. And like I said, this is easy to mass produce, and you can also use the actual snowman. Just add some red to your coloring. Thanks so much. Have a great day.